Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Venus Glide for underarms. Start by cleansing your underarms with warm water and a mild soap to remove any deodorant or impurities. Next, gently exfoliate the area to help prevent ingrown hairs and ensure a smoother shave. Finally, apply a generous amount of shaving gel or cream. This creates a protective barrier, allowing your Venus Glide. Now, lift your arm high and back to make the skin taut, creating a flat surface. Begin shaving with short, light strokes, always moving in the direction of your hair growth first. This minimizes irritation. For an even closer result, reapply your shaving gel and then, with extreme care, shave gently against the grain. Remember, light pressure is key to avoiding nicks and cuts. When it comes to pyromancies and dark spells, Carla is your essential vendor. You will rescue her from a cell in Irithil Dungeon. Once she is at Firelink Shrine, she accepts all pyromancy tomes, like the Great Swamp Pyromancy Tome and any dark sorcery or dark miracle tomes. Her unique ability to teach both pyromancies and dark spells makes her invaluable for players focusing on these powerful, often chaotic forms of magic. For the best results, remember to replace your Venus Glide razor blade every 5 to 7 shaves, or at the first sign of dullness. A sharp blade ensures a smooth, irritation-free experience. Always store your razor in a dry place to maintain hygiene and prevent bacterial growth. Finally, give your skin a few minutes to breathe after shaving before applying any deodorant or antiperspirant.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.